Let's see an overview of simulation, and how it enables faster project plan management and governance. Click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner, then click on the digital projects timeline. And finally click on simulation. All the tasks added in the workbook, and created through the quick create in the header, are displayed here in a hierarchical manner. Click on collapse and select a level, up to which you need to collapse all the items. Click on the plus to expand any item. You can view all the tasks on this page by expanding them, or just click on the launch icon to see all the tasks under that particular wave. Double-click to edit any value. Click on the plus icon on any task to add a task one level lower than it. Click delete icon to delete that row. Don't forget to click on save to save the changes. Click on the eye icon to see more details or to edit the task. In the Overview tab, you can see the task description, task type, parent task name, and the task priority. Under the Stakeholder tab, you can assign an owner and participants to this task. Under Planned versus Actual, you can set the task's start and end dates. The actual start and end dates are auto-captured when the task changes to active and complete status. Under Reference, you can add any work item, process, or event as a reference to this task. Based on your selection, all the items of that type in your project will shown. Select one, and click on the tick icon. Use the discussion section to discuss the task and tag users by putting at and selecting their names. The tagged person will be notified in My Workspace mentions, and also through mail. You can see the history of all changes to this task, as maintaining history is important to avoid any unauthorized changes to data in a collaborative platform. Under File, you can upload files related to this task. Under Wiki Notes, you can include images, text, or hyperlinks for various use cases. Under the hierarchy, you can see under which wave, phase, and parent task this task falls. Remember, you need appropriate access level to do all these CRUD operations. Here you can refine the column display. Under Role Type, you can see whether the task involves a customer or a system integrator. Under the workstream, you can see the department responsible for that task. Task type will indicate whether the task is a milestone, deliverable, deliverable group, or something else. Click on the filter icon, and use these filter options to refine the view. Click on Back to return to the entire project plan page. If you need to save the current version of your project plan for future use, drop the current version dropdown, enter a version name, and click the plus icon. Now, click on the version to view it. This version becomes read-only, so any changes in the project plan won't affect it. This helps maintain an unchanged base plan, useful for error recovery and tracking. To return to your current project plan, select Current Version from the dropdown. Click on the WBS toggle button to display or hide the WBS number of the tasks. To define the dependencies between tasks, just have the WBS number of that task in the dependencies field of the dependent task. Now, you can see the dependency flow in the Gantt view chart. In a project, managing task dependencies is crucial for ensuring smooth workflow and timely completion of project. It helps in organizing tasks in the right sequence, preventing delays and ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently. Additionally, it allows for better risk management, enhances communication among team members, and facilitates more effective planning and decision-making. To learn more about dependencies, click on the card in the top right corner. Also, to manage the tasks that are at risk and crucial for meeting the project deadline, they can be better managed and governed under the critical path. Here, all the tasks whose completion date matches the date of the project deadline, and tasks that are in a dependency relationship with it, are shown. So, better focus and governance can be applied to closing them without affecting the project deadline. Use these time frame options to refine the Gantt view.